Hey guys, welcome to the Selenium in 30 seconds tutorial. My name is Mayur and let's get started. So let's open a browser today. So to do that, you will need a function driver.get and you need to add a parameter called URL. That's all you need to do. So let's go to the terminal. So let me create a file open browser.py and I have this boilerplate. So this code is doing nothing but it's just importing a web driver and it is declaring the driver. So this is a boilerplate code, you don't need to remember it, just import it. So let me do that. So from boilerplate Chrome, I will import driver. Okay, so as we said, driver.get and you need to add a URL. So I'll add www.google.com. That's it. So let's run this script. I'll go to terminal. I'll do cls python open browser.py. Yeah, that's a name. So let's see that. Open, open. Okay. Yeah. So the Chrome is open and there you go. Google is there. So that's all you need to do to launch a browser. That was easy, right? So stay tuned for more such tutorials on Selenium. These are micro tutorials and it will help you learn Selenium every day. Thank you.